If you click here, you will generate one SEO optimized article. If you click here, you will generate up to 100 articles, which is SEO optimized. And if you want to humanize your ChatGPT AI produced article, you can click here. And the best thing, you can completely use it for free and it asks you no other information. So I want to introduce you SEOWriting.ai. You can get started for completely free and record required, okay? You can simply click on login and enter your details. You can log in. And if you're interested and satisfied with the product, you can see their price plans and you can go ahead and subscribe, okay? Now, I want to directly get into dashboard and show you how this works. So right now I'm here at dashboard and here are many options, okay? So this is very neatly organized. So first thing you can see here, right here, one-click blog post. But before that, I want to share with you something called brand voice, which is newly added feature in SEOWriting.ai. Now I can go here and click on brand voice, and here you see it is asking me to add new brand voice. Now I can click on simply new brand voice, and here you have three options, okay? One is add text and web scrape, which is asking URL, and upload a file, which you can upload text files, okay, PDF and etc. Now what this means is basically the first option is you can literally write whatever the content you have and what are the things needed to include in the blog article, and you can simply click on create brand voice. And then there's next thing, you have URL. You can literally paste your competitor URL or the blog article which you wanted, the style of the article. You can simply paste the URL and create a brand voice, okay? And there's a third option where you can simply drag and drop PDF of any article or text file. Now the whole purpose of using this brand voice is it's simply to customize our brand writing style, okay? So it's just like you will have the option in ChatGPT to customize GPT, right? But it requires pro subscription to cross the rate limit. But here in SEO Writing AI, you have similar to that customization. You can literally paste any of the articles. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste my URL article, okay? I can simply go to my website, which is makemoneyrush.com. By the way, I have an affiliate marketing course. If you want to make money from blogging, this is the best way to make money. Check that out, okay? Now I can simply click on my one of the article and I can copy this URL and go to the SEOWriting.ai dashboard and add my brand voice by simply pasting URL. And if I click on create brand voice, it's gonna analyze my entire URL article, and it's gonna see right now it's gonna identify the tone, which is a friendly, conversational, encouraging, supportive while maintaining professional expertise, point of view, and it's a first person perspective. I always write first person perspective. And archetype, so there's a lot of customization, okay? There's a lot of attributes here when it comes to writing a blog article. Now I can simply click on save brand voice. Now keep in mind guys, you do not want to add brand voice of AI articles. Do not do that, because AI articles, once you add brand voice, is gonna follow for every automation article you write with SEOWriting.ai is gonna follow this brand voice, okay? I don't want you to add AI articles, okay? Now you can go to the dashboard since we have successfully added the brand voice, and here you have two options. One is a bulk article generation and second one is a one-click blog post. Now I'm going to show you one-click blog post in this video, but if you want to know bulk article generation, you can go and do that. And what it does is it will auto, if you're familiar with auto blogging, if you're not, you can check my other videos. I'll leave the link in the description. So auto blogging is nothing but bulk producing on one focus keyword, and it does that, okay? Now I will show you how to create one-click blog post. You guys want to click on one-click blog post, and the first thing is it's gonna ask you main keyword. Now I will go ahead and give the main keyword. Now here's my main keyword. Now I can go ahead and give my customized title, which is a grow YouTube channel on keyword, but I can also have the option to generate a title for me. Now I'm gonna test this tool and click on generate a title, and it's gonna do that for me. Now you can see this is a very optimized SEO meta title, how to grow YouTube channel, expert tips and strategies. Now this is a good one. And here next you have core settings, which ask you to do a language. Now most of my articles are English. Now you can go and choose any of the language depending on what articles you are writing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose English, and article size medium, and for every size of the article it will show you corresponding the number of words and number of headings, okay? Now I will let it be in a medium because I want more than 2000 words, okay? Now more than 1000 words is fine, but yeah, let's test this, okay? tone of voice, which is friendly. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write, since this keyword is informational, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on informational. Okay, now you can also choose any of this, it doesn't matter, but I like to keep it very neat and clean. Informational, intent. So the model, you can go, and the greener the better. Okay, now we can also use lower modules, which is hello, but I'm gonna go ahead and choose let it be in the middle. Okay, GPT-4 128K turbo. Now Anthropic Cloud, this is also a very powerful model when it comes to generating SEO articles, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep it with a GPT-4. And then you have brand voice here. So because we have added the brand voice before, at the beginning we have the option to select the brand voice, and this is the brand voice we have added, if you remember correctly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose my brand voice, my writing style, and here details to include. You can enter your contact information or contact email. So I'm not gonna do that because I'm writing for information, not any for business purpose. So some business, if you're a business owner writing blog articles for your website, you can add the contact information, business information. So I'm not gonna do this in this video because I'm not writing for business. Now AI images, yes, I need it. Number of images 3, and image style. So I can go ahead and choose cyberpunk. So I like cyberpunk. And image size, I'll let it be default. Additional instructions, so I will leave it default. Okay, let the AI decide what's the best for me. And it is asking me YouTube videos and number of YouTube videos and layouts. Okay, so what it does is YouTube videos, it's gonna pull the data, relevant YouTube videos, and embed the links for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose maybe 2, okay, or maybe 3. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and choose maybe 3. And it even has layout options. Okay, alternate image video, alternate video and image. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose let it be alternate image and video. Okay, now what it does is image video. Okay, so I think it's gonna split between headings. So here the next thing we have, main important thing, which is SEO keywords. Now you have 2 options right here. One, you can generate using NLP keyword generation their own SEO keyword research. Okay, now other thing what you can do is you can manually type in your keywords. Okay, if you're using SEMrush or Ahrefs or whatever the SEO tool you're using, you can manually type in the keywords, or you cannot simply click on generate NLP keywords and it will do that for you. Okay, so the next thing we have introductory hook and brief. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add personal and emotional. So yeah, so it is auto adding the prompt. Okay, I'm not even typing any single thing. Okay, now conclusion, yes, I need tables, I need history headings, yes, I need lists, I need italics, quotes, key takeaways. So I will leave it default. And internal linking, so an option called I have already added my site, so I can simply choose this site. Okay, now it will ask me what are the paths and what are the paths to exclude and include. So I will leave it default, since because internal linking, what it does is it goes through the sitemap and takes all the blog articles and read the articles, and it will internal link which are relevant articles to the creating blog article. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it none because I have no other articles related to this keyword, but if there are articles it will do that for you. This is really good. Okay, external linking, yes, I need the external linking and I will spell it automatic, and number of links like maybe 3 or 4, and evenly throughout placement, link attributes, no follow, guys, and you will have even options exclude URLs. And the next thing we have connect to web. This is a good thing about SEOWriting.ai, because what it does is if I click on access, so it will analyze hundreds of most relevant websites with statistical data to create factual articles and incorporating automated citation, just like Wikipedia. If you've seen Wikipedia, it will have citations for every one sentence, every single sentences, and every single the paragraph. Okay, so that kind of quality article we are going to produce with the SEOWriting.ai, and the number of source links, and we can go ahead and choose link name and URL, or maybe URL and link name. Okay, and search source real time, so I'll keep it default. Citations, yes, we need citations, and exclude URLs, no. And the next thing we have syndication, which is a Twitter post, LinkedIn post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create Pinterest, because the moment I create article, I'm going to directly push to Pinterest. Okay, so they have directly option to create marketing materials based on article for these social media platforms. And if you're on Facebook and Twitter, you can also give a S. I'm going to go here and choose Pinterest for right now, okay, for time being purpose. And we have outline editor, so I'm not gonna do anything. So select. Now at the end we have publishing to website. So what it does is it will directly auto publish to website once it is generated, but you have to be integrated to the site. Right now you can see I have integrated my WordPress, but if you don't know how to integrate your WordPress, you can simply type in Google how to, SEOWriting.ai WordPress integration. It will come up, it will show you an article, and here you have step-by-step guide on how to create SEOWriting.ai to your WordPress account. Okay, they even have a plugin, but I will leave it here. Okay, I want the articles to be dropped and I need to recheck. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can simply click on everything is fine, I can recheck, and I can simply click on hit run, and then it will take you to another page and it will show you the status, and these are the previous articles which I have generated and ranked very well. So let's wait. So right now you can see it has completed auto generating the blog article. Now I can simply click on Now I can simply click on article and it will take me to this preview page. Now once all the verification is done, and you can see how beautifully it's generated, like it's giving the images the cyberpunk style, which I really asked for it. And here you can see it has added the citations from top websites like hotsuite.com and whatever the second website, Sprout Social, which is a high domain authority pages, and headings which are H2, H3, and the images are very fine. So it is even embedded YouTube videos. So as you can see, now it has even added the external links, so which is really great. And what else, it has even added the frequently asked questions. Okay, so it has added a lot of questions. So these are the citations. So guys, entirely Wikipedia kind of entire article, which is a high quality article. Now what you can do is you can simply copy this and paste it in WordPress. Simply paste the WordPress and it will all be directly pasted into WordPress. You don't have to do any single moving things. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and edit or edit this preview, you can simply click on edit here. Okay, so if your site is integrated, you can directly publish after editing, so you don't have to copy paste to the WordPress. You don't even need to log into WordPress if you're integrated to this. Okay, now what's interesting is I can copy this. There's another tool called Humanizer. Okay, so I can simply enter here and I can copy this and paste here. So here it will ask you the readability. You can also change the conversational tone. Now I can go and do the recommended thing, and I can even change the language. And I even have a recently added feature which is a remove AI words. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and select extended list and click on humanize, and it will do that for me. So it has finished humanizing the text. Now you can simply copy and paste it wherever you want. Okay, so this is the SEOWriting.ai. The link will be in the description, and you will also get a coupon code. Check that out and catch you on the next one.